Hi everybody and welcome along to a flip through of this second little Christmas journal. This is one that I did on the live on Sunday the 28th of November. So a lot of you watched me do the construction, and I hadn't got around to doing the decorating. So this is the finished item. It's held together by a nice quality satin ribbon bow, and that just goes around it a couple of times, stays in this eyelet so it's out of your way. And then we get into the nice bits. Nice journaling cards here, 2 of them, backed and inked around, ready for quick grabbing and journaling. And then in here there's a little journaling card in this pocket. That's so pretty, isn't it? That's a tempt to put this back in. You know as well as I do that journaling cards never like to go in pockets during filming. Oh, look at that, just to prove me wrong. This journaling card, and then this giant tag. It's a big one. So they all go in there. This paper, I love it. I think it's one of my favourites. Well, yeah, I've got a lot of favourites in this kit. And then it opens up and we've got this flip here. That paper shouldn't go unnoticed, it's lovely. But this flip here, and it's got a pocket, a slanty pocket it is actually, down here. It's a tuck spot, and it's got this little goodie stuck there, a little tag, and a journaling card. Now these ones inside the journal aren't backed because they'd just be too chunky. But they are nice quality paper, so you'll be able to write on them, no problem. And that goes in there, and that goes in there. And then this one, we've got a scrap of fabric with December the 25th on it. And in the pocket, we've got that's a lovely wreath, a tag and a journaling card. And some of this ephemera has come from the journal boat because I ran out of ephemera really with the chapter 1 papers. So some of it is from the journal boat, Wonderful Christmas Time, I think it's called. And this is the first page of the journal proper, and I've just decorated a little bit. It's got a couple of tickets in. It's got a nice little journaling card. This is from the Christmas Rose kit, the alphabet, and a Santa Claus, the one and only I think in this journal. So they just pop into there and they're handy to grab. And the little tickets there. And then, as I say, that's all journaling there. On Mr. F's beautiful stained paper. Beautiful, isn't it? I love it. Then we've got a pocket at the back of the journal. It's just a little stamp stuck on there. A tag. A little coin envelope. And a journaling card. So, I mean, if you wanted to pop some money in there or something as a gift to somebody, it's perfect. Perfect for the job. And they just pop into there like so and look pretty. Then we have another flip on the back, and this has got a tummy tuck down it, and it's got some goodies in it. It's got this little journaling card. That, which I think is possibly my favourite piece of ephemera. It's from the journal boat. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just lovely. I love it. And another journaling card, that one too. So they all pop into there. So they're ready to be grabbed at short notice and written on, should you get the desire. And then we've got a corner tuck spot here, and it's got a scrap of fabric, says Merry and Bright. And in that one we've got a smaller journaling card, a larger journaling card, and a piece of that beautiful Christmas rose paper. It's to die for, isn't it? So that's in that pocket. That flips back shut, flips over, and then this is the back of the journal. So that comes out. Then we've got this journaling card, which has a recipe for Christmas plum pudding. Should you wish to make that. This one says holly berries. It's a really pretty card, that. then this isn't a pocket, it's just a card. Then we've got these two journaling cards, the alphabet, and this one says, Yuletide greetings to you and yours, and then another one of these giant tags. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. So they live very happily in there. They live happily in there, that way round. That's upside down. And that folds like that. This folds back in over there. And then it just wraps around twice. Once, twice, and then it just ties there on the side, and that's it. A very compact journal. It's very pretty, I think. Very seasonal. Very, very, very seasonal. And it's handy. It's just a handy little journal to have. So thank you for joining me. It will be for sale on my Etsy shop, and you're more than welcome to go and have a look at the details of that, etc. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye now.